What's up, guys? I'm gonna take a quick ride. See what we're doing. Just a quick ride through the suburbs of Austin. Mainly just testing out the new camera. This is a Insta360 RS 1-inch. Let's give it a little bit of gas here. It's enough to get a little bit swirly, but it feels good. This car feels good. Maybe we'll go get some pictures, do a quick video. We'll look for a quick location. Maybe over here is good. Over by Stone Lake. They got lots of trees. You can see them overhanging. Sun's starting to go down a little bit. Sunset. I'll go a little bit further ahead. Sometimes what I do is I look for these parking garages, and those are mint because you're just all by yourself. You don't have to think about being in people's way or people getting in your way. So let's give that a try. Let's see what's going on up there. If it's all good, let's take a ride through this parking garage. Look at that. I think we're good. You can hear the exhaust. I'll put the windows down. To the top, and I'm going to use this as an opportunity to ask you guys. I'm going to say that I'm starting a little early with my New Year's resolution to just get more content out there. I get a lot of questions and I'm happy to answer them all. Anything from how do you pull a log to what phone mount do you use? And somebody just asked me that, and it's the Anchor MagSafe. It's actually a powered one that I can charge the phone with, but you know, I get these questions and I figure while I'm doing this stuff, I might as well just talk to you guys. Ask a question whenever you want. I'll do my best to answer it. And yeah, I do a lot of research and stuff like that. I'm happy to share what I learned. Hey, thank you. There we go. Bam. Fucking sunset. Rock it out. DJI Osmo 6. Get rocking with it, and you guys get to see the outcome. I think it's going to look pretty sweet. Peace.